Good evening, dear theater. My name is Leonardo Sanchez, and I would like to talk about some traditions and customs of the place I live. That it pertains to Tunja, which is located in the department of Boyacá. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, Tunja is located in the Andean region, that is down here at the heart of the country. And when we're talking about traditions, customs, I would like to bring up Carranga. It's the most important dance here in Boyacá, although there are some places near the plains that maybe you are gonna listen to ranchera or joropo music, but for the most part, Carranga is totally heard in all over Boyacá. When it comes to traditions, we could appreciate the Boyacá International Cultural Festival that takes place at the end of September. And this guy, Gustavo Mateus, is widely recognized as the forerunner, the person who had this idea of bringing this event known around the country, because he wanted musicians, all people, all those kinds of people who are immersed in culture to be known and to share all the things that they have been doing for quite some time. That's why when you are immersed in this festival, you could appreciate some concerts of classical music. There could be choirs giving concerts in some important churches here in Tunja, as well as some quartets of strings. For example, this is the Quartet of Bogota. At the same time, you could appreciate one of the most important symphonic bands in Colombia, such as the Colombian Symphonic Band or the Bogota Philharmonic. On the other hand, there is another important event that takes place in December, and it is the Aguinaldo Boyacense, which for the most part lasts 1 week. And there are many kind of things, activities that you could enjoy. By way of example, some concerts of either national or international artists, such as Andrea Echeverri, Jorge Celedón, among others. And what I like about this event is that you could have a good time with your friends. However, sometimes the prices of the concerts are too high, 100,000 pesos. That's why people prefer to enjoy other activities, such as the fireworks event that takes place in the first day of this Aguinaldo Boyacense, because it is for free. This is what I wanted to share with you. So thanks for your attention, and up until next time.